Experiment sent me a lab sample of their new Continuum multi-clarifying treatment before it even launched. 1 month later, this is what happened to my skin. I used this daily and experienced fewer breakouts, decreased appearance of acne scars, and much less texture. It's an extremely milky, glowy serum, clinically proven to help visibly clear skin in as little as 4 weeks. The differentiator here is that every axis of the problem, congestion, texture, redness, barrier damage, all get its own dedicated pathway, and they're working together. This is surprisingly rare and worth explaining. I know what I'm talking about because I'm a scientist who understands ingredients, formulation, and also has a degree in cell biology. Salicylic acid in its free form is a lipophilic molecule. It penetrates quickly, works fast, and clears out. That sounds good once you realize that fast penetration means high local concentration at the skin surface, causing dryness, peeling, sensitivity. Encapsulation wraps the salicylic acid inside a carrier system, typically a polymer shell, a lipid matrix, or a cyclodextrin complex. The carrier slowly degrades or releases its payload in response to a trigger, which can be skin pH, enzymatic activity, temperature, or simply time. Lower peak concentration means less irritation signaling. Gluconolactone is a PHA, so the molecular weight is too high to penetrate deeply, which is exactly why it's gentler. Pairing it with a BHA gives you two exfoliation mechanisms at different depths and different aggression levels. Gluconolactone resurfaces the stratum corneum and keeps the follicular opening clear of dead cell buildup, and then the encapsulated salicylic acid goes deeper into the follicle and works over time. Potassium azelloyl diglycinate, or glycinated azelaic acid, is a very interesting call here. Traditionally, azelaic acid has solubility issues in water-based formulations, and so formulators fight with it constantly. In its glycinated salt form, it is more stable, more water-soluble, and clinically gentler. They also included a pseudoceramide engineered to mimic the laminar structure of ceramide NP, AP, and EOP. This was an intentional choice because it is more water dispersible and stable in emulsion systems, but will do wonders for your lipid bilayer. Fullerene is a flex ingredient. It's a C60 carbon sphere with a massive surface area for electron capture, which means it neutralizes free radicals, including those from squalene oxidation, which is a major driver of inflammatory acne. This is still so relatively rare at accessible price points. Allantoin speeds up the repair cycle at the site, which is part of why it reduces lingering redness and marks that stay after the actual blemish is gone. Every part of this formula was thought out, from the exfoliation to the barrier repair that synergistically improves the skin after the active, and that's why the results of this serum are real.